Hey guys, Vin here again. We're on Church Street in Janesville, Wisconsin, where we did another free inspection of this home. The homeowner called us, asked us to take a look in regards to a storm that hit last year. The snow is off, the sun's starting to come out, so we came out here to do a free inspection, identified hail hits to the roof, and now the homeowner is going to file a claim with the insurance company. Again, if you would like your free inspection done, please give Infinity a call. Thank you.